Uh, Welcome to international webinar on artificial intelligence applications using Python programming. So, artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. The best example is robot. The science and engineering to make intelligent machines. So is this definition given by the John McCarthy in the year 1969. So what is the meaning of science? Science is about knowing and engineering is nothing but doing. We all are studying computer science engineering. So computer is a physical device which can take the input and process it and it gives the output. Science is about science is about knowing, engineering is about doing. The science and engineering to make intelligent systems is called artificial intelligence. Today I am going to explain various artificial intelligence applications by using Python programming. So Python is a scripting and object-oriented programming language. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries are presented. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands. Today I am going to explain AI contents like artificial intelligence and in artificial intelligence allied subjects like data mining, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, augmented reality, virtual reality, and few data science applications, statistics, Python programming. So today I am going to demonstrate various health-related database applications, COVID-19 virus prediction and detection, Zika virus prediction and detection, Ebola virus prediction and detection, prostate cancer prediction and detection, breast cancer prediction and detection, lung cancer prediction and detection, and finally monkeypox prediction and detection application. By using Python programming, I am going to demonstrate various AI applications. So for any application, we need to have data. So where the data is coming from, how the data we are storing from, how many servers are required, how do we can store huge volume of data within 60 seconds, how many users are connected to the internet world. So this slide explains Netflix, how many users are connected and how many hours they are watching. 3.8 billion search queries in Google, 1 million logging in Facebook, 18.2 million text sent, 4 million videos viewed in YouTube. So same way 1.8 million emails sent, 41.6 million messages sent in the WhatsApp. I am going to show you practicals. How many users are connected in this world? Please see now the practicals. www.internetlivestats. So if you see internet users in this world, very huge number. How many users connected? How many websites opened? Total number of websites opened, emails sent today, and Google searches today, blog posts today, tweets today, and videos viewed today, photos uploaded today, That means how many users are connected in this Facebook, active users. So this is so how many servers are required to store huge volume of data. So this is internet live statistics. That's why we are going to the cloud computing. Cloud computing is an internet-based technology. We are storing huge volume of data in the servers, data center, etc. So that is about internet live statistics. If you see in the same internet live statistics in this slide, how many users are connected, YouTube users right now, and Google searches, Facebook users, apps downloaded. So this is the internet live statistics. Yeah. If you see, computer understands or my computer understands only ones and zeros. If you press capital B, system cannot understand capital B directly. Internally, it converts into ASCII value. ASCII value is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital B value, if you divide it by 2, the number is 10001. That is a binary equivalent of 66. Now see, how do we measure the data in artificial intelligence? We require, in order to develop automated automation applications, we require a huge volume of data. How do we measure huge volume of data? 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. After that, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes and my memory is 1 zettabyte. So last night I have searched that. Is there any terminology? Few more terminologies presented. Yes, there are 2 more terminologies presented. 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. 1024 geobyte is equal to infinity. So this is the way we are measuring data in artificial intelligence applications. If you see in mathematical range, how do we measure the data? 1 kilobyte is equal to 10 power 3. 1 megabyte is equal to 10 power 6. 1 gigabyte is 10 power 9. Terabyte is 10 power 12. Petabyte is 10 power 15. Exabyte is 10 power 18. Zettabyte is 10 power 21. Yottabyte is 10 power 24. Brontobyte is 10 power 27. Geobyte is 10 power 30. Being a computer student, IT student, you must know the jargon of measuring the data in artificial intelligence. So today I am going to explain artificial intelligence concepts like introduction to artificial intelligence, expert system, A-star algorithm, fuzzy logic and soft computing, artificial neural networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, linear regression with artificial neural networks, logistic regression with artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and followed by the few more subjects like data mining. In this, data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data. That is called data mining. So in this one, pre-processing of data, fundamentals of data mining, what are the various data mining tools are available, and what are the data mining techniques. There are 3 approaches, 3 concepts majorly we are using in data mining: classification and types like decision tree, random forest, k nearest neighbor, support vector machine. I'm going to demonstrate these classification techniques and followed by the clustering and types. K means clustering, association rule mining and types, a priori algorithm, FP growth algorithm. I'm going to demonstrate. Then followed by the artificial neural networks. What is meant by artificial neural networks? What are the types of artificial neural networks? Feed forward neural networks, back forward neural networks, K nearest neighbor algorithm, and artificial neural network, applications of artificial neural networks, generative adversarial networks, that is called GAN, radial basis function networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, self-organizing maps, etc. Then followed by the machine learning concepts. There are three approaches we are using in machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is, machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data, and by applying supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning, we are solving various applications. Supervised learning is nothing but there is a label, there is a target class, we are going to classify the data. That is called supervised learning. Examples: linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression, types of classification, decision tree, random forest, and K nearest neighbor, SVM, support vector machine. Then unsupervised learning is nothing but there is no target class, there is no label, but we are classifying the data based on the similarity measure. In order to find out similarity measure, we are using Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, Minkowski distance. Examples are clustering, K-means algorithm, Euclidean distance, elbow method, fuzzy C-means, agglomerative clustering, etc. Reinforcement learning is nothing but based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the applications, especially gaming applications. So there are various algorithms like SARSA, DQN, DDPG, A3C. These are the various reinforcement learning applications. Then followed by the deep learning applications. What is meant by deep learning? What is the difference between deep learning and machine learning? Data processing and analysis with Python. Learn data processing and analysis with Python. Deep learning applications, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory networks, deep learning and its applications in healthcare, healthcare data analysis with Python, detecting COVID-19 in X-ray images using CNN, and brain tumor detection, ECG heartbeat analysis using CNN, how to apply AI in healthcare data, example COVID data, brain tumor, ECG and MRI data. And followed by the augmented reality and virtual reality. So what is the difference between augmented and virtual reality? Basics of computer vision and multimedia, multimodal interaction, and AR systems for fault inspection and digital twin, virtual reality system development in Unity, rendering real-time sensor data in AR VR model, human robot interaction using AR VR systems, applications of AR and VR, challenges of AR and VR. So then followed by the few concepts like data analytics using statistical methods, data analytics using AI techniques, data analytics using DM techniques, data analytics using artificial neural networks techniques, data analytics using machine learning techniques, data analytics using deep learning techniques. Then Python programming. So under Python programming, I'm going to cover variables and data types, basic mathematics, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, collections, tuples, list, dictionaries, loops, file operations, exceptions, Standard library like NumPy, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. In advanced Python programming, Python for data science and Python fundamentals, implementing Pandas library, NumPy library, Matplotlib, Seaborn and Scikit-learn, logistic and linear regression, machine learning, that is SVM, support vector machine, decision tree, bagging and boosting, Keras, neural network CNN, importing and manipulation of ideas, concepts on Excel sheet with data science. These all are comes under AI applications, data frame functions and data preparation, an introduction to click view tool, click scale tool, natural language processing in data science, and a detection model, cyber money laundering detection model to anomaly detection, heart prediction models like heart disease prediction, and click view and the usage of this tool in data science domain, and Myers-Briggs personality prediction using machine learning, classification models like spam classification models, movie review classification, customer segmentation model, emotion detection using Python, wine quality prediction using datasets, Twitter dataset classification using deep learning. So few statistical methods like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, I am going to demonstrate. And these are the various projects in artificial intelligence, healthcare cost regression using exploratory data analytics, detecting COVID-19 virus application, human brain MRI application, ECG heartbeat analysis, and classifying and predicting person with brain tumor, and CT scan medical image visualization and analysis, face mask detection using deep learning, social distancing detector using OpenCV, face recognition and emotion detection using OpenCV, traffic sign impact classification for self-driving cars. Why I am explaining these applications? You are a final year students, you must know what are the various problems are available, how do we can solve very easily these problems by using various latest tools and techniques. So that is my intention of explaining these applications. Traffic sign image classification for self-driving car, and automate LinkedIn application using Python, air quality prediction using linear regression, diabetes classification using logistic regression, face recognition using the K nearest neighbor technique, and a dominant color extraction using k-means clustering, recommendation system using natural language processing, word analogies using word to vector technique, handwriting digit recognition, sending email using Python, automate Tinder using Python, COVID-19 virus, Omicron, monkeypox, lung cancer prediction and detection using machine learning and deep learning techniques, spatial data science for COVID-19 disease prediction, Parkinson's disease prediction XGBoost classifier, house price prediction random forest regression, customer segmentation using k-means clustering, home loan prediction decision tree classifier, spam classification in natural language processing using ML and DL technique, handwritten digit recognition using CNN technique, churn prediction using deep learning technique, crop yield prediction using deep learning technique, and groundwater level prediction using deep learning technique, and color tracking using OpenCV, face recognition, edge detection, and region of interest, lane detection using OpenCV, fire detection, gesture detection using sklearn, digital art using OpenCV, mouse control using gesture technique, and drowsiness detection using eye aspect ratio model, head pose detection using machine learning, and object recognition using DNN and TensorFlow model, vehicle speed estimation using DNN technique, emotion recognition using deep learning technique, traffic signs recognition using deep learning technique, social distance monitoring, optical character recognition, speech recognition, speech emotion recognition, COVID strain virus prediction, face mask detection, social distancing detector, and face recognition and emotion detection using OpenCV, traffic sign image classification for self-driving car, object detection using computer vision and deep learning, and human pose estimation using deep learning, object detection using computer vision and deep learning, car price prediction using linear regression, telecom customer churn analysis using machine learning, human resource employee attrition analysis and prediction using machine learning technique, advertisement scale. These are the various artificial intelligence applications. Today I am going to share with you, and few applications I am going to demonstrate. Total 101 applications I am going to demonstrate, and I am sharing these projects to your coordinator Samson sir. Is going to share with you so that you can do your final year projects. These are the applications by using Python, and I will give you guidance how to develop a research article, how to develop a conference paper, and how to execute. These are the artificial intelligence applications by using Python. I am going to demonstrate today, and I am going to share with you with your coordinator. And you may get doubt, sir, which is better to start, artificial intelligence or machine learning or deep learning? You may get doubt. So after completion of my presentation, you come to no conclusion, okay, I can start with the artificial intelligence. That conclusion I am going to give you. So machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a sub part of artificial intelligence. Okay. And artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. The science and engineering to make intelligent machines. Science is nothing. Science is about knowing, and engineering is about doing. The science and engineering to make intelligent machines. Any technique which enables computers to mimic human behavior is called artificial intelligence. Machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data. It is a subset of artificial intelligence technique which use statistical methods to enable machines to improve with the experiences. Deep learning is nothing but it is a subset of machine learning which make the computation of multi-layer neural networks feasible. Learning from the observational data with a deep manner by applying various input and hidden layers. So today I am going to explain 10 interesting statistics about artificial intelligence so that you may get interest. Why do I want to learn artificial intelligence? The first interesting statistics, by 2021, that means already over 80% of emerging technologies will have AI fundamentals. I mean AI foundations. We have already started in all the applications. Second statistic, AI can increase business productivity by 40%. Soon we are going to see this statistic. And statistic 3, title 3, 63% of people prefer to message a chatbot or talking with a human when communicating with a business. Then the fourth statistic is, according to different studies, there are more male employees in AI related jobs than females. At least 71% are men. Then fifth statistic, by 2025, artificial intelligence is expected to become $60 billion industry. If you see statistics 6, title 6, experts predict that by 2020, 85% of all customer service interactions will be handled without the need for a human agent. Then statistic 7, experts believe that AI will take over 16% of current jobs within the next 10 years, but worry not, a new era of job opportunities will arise. Then statistic 8, title 8, by 2025, it is expected that 10% of spending on IT will be spent on AI related activities. We are one step closer to AI empowered business. Statistic 9, AI enabled tools will generate 2.9 trillion in business value by 2021. The last title 10, that is statistic 10, 41% of consumers believe AI will improve their lives in some way. These are the 10 interesting statistics about artificial intelligence. If you see artificial intelligence definition, the science and engineering to make intelligent machines. This definition given by the John McCarthy in the year 1969. So science is about knowing, and engineering is about doing. Science and engineering to make intelligent machines. Intelligence is nothing but the ability to learn or understand or to deal with new or trying situations specifically, like the ability to reason, the ability to solve novel problems, the ability to act rationally and efficiently, the ability to act like humans. That is called intelligence. So what is intelligence? So artificial intelligence is a popular branch of computer science that concerns with the building intelligent smart machines capable of performing intelligent tasks. When rapid advancements in deep learning and machine learning, the tech industry is transforming radically, especially in India. Now all engineering colleges, they have introduced BTech specialization is artificial intelligence is a program. So that much importance is there in for artificial intelligence. If you see in a circle, how do we represent artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the imitating the intelligence or behavioral patterns of humans or other living entities is called artificial intelligence. Machine learning is nothing but it is a sub part of artificial intelligence, self-adaptive algorithms that can learn from data without using a complex set of rules. By using three approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, we are solving machine learning applications. Then deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data with a deep manner by applying more number of input and hidden layers. So deep learning techniques to perform machine learning inspired by a human brain's network of neurons is called deep learning. So where is AI used? You may get, sir, AI is used in predictive analytics, real-time operations management, customer services. Wherever data is there, we can, wherever automation, customers, automation and data is there, we are using AI. Risk management and analytics, customer insight, pricing promotion, customer experience, supply chain management, human resource management, fraud detection, knowledge creation, research and development. These are the various domains we are using artificial intelligence. Then types of AI based on ability, based on functionality. There we can classify into narrow AI, general AI, super AI. So narrow AI, we are using machine learning. In general AI, we are using mission intelligence, and super AI, we are using mission consciousness. If you see based on functionality, we are using reactive machines, specializes in only one area, has no memory, limited memory, uses memory to execute approximate tasks, theory of mind, understanding thoughts and emotions of other intelligence entities, self awareness, has human like intelligence, is and sentient and consciousness. So, what is this artificial intelligence? See here, building on AI applications like mathematics, philosophy, cognitive psychology, biology. What are the methods we are using in artificial intelligence? Knowledge-based methods, behavioral methods, and sub-symbolic methods, etc. Scientific perspective, study of intelligent systems related to computational processes. And the technological perspective, build systems that display intelligent behavior, that is smart system. What is the need for artificial intelligence? For the need of competitive edge, and for the need of accessibility, for the need of fear of missing out, for the need of cost effectiveness, for the need of future proof. This is a need for artificial intelligence. Then artificial intelligence, if you see, what are the major concepts we are covering in artificial intelligence? So logistic related concepts, statistical concepts, machine learning concepts, and systems related concepts. If you see logistic rule based systems and expert systems. In statistics, we are using probability, likelihood, regression, information theory. In machine learning, we are using Bayesian interfaces, inference, decision trees, support vector machine, natural language processing, ensembled methods, neural networks, and deep learning. And systems, control theory, signal and image processing. So why we are using the systems and control? In order to solve manufacturing like aircraft, cameras, audio data applications. So in order to develop speech recognition recommendation system applications. In order to statistics, why we are using decision support purpose. And logics, why we are using alarms and diagnostic purpose. Then see what we talk about when we talk about artificial intelligence. See, artificial intelligence, there are three important terms you must remember. The first one is reason, the second one is interact, and third one is learn. Artificial intelligence is a combination of learn, interact, and reason. That's what we talk about when we talk about artificial intelligence: learn, interact, and reason. Then artificial intelligence, where we are using, especially in what are the domains we are using. Our international webinar title is Artificial Intelligence Applications. See here, various applications and domains, personalized user experience, artificial intelligence powered chatbots, predictive analysis, content generation, content curation, email marketing campaigns, e-commerce, voice search optimization, web design, online advertising, personalized user experience. These are the various domain of applications of artificial intelligence. Examples of artificial intelligence, unmanned drones, so these are the examples like self-driving cars, smart business, and spam filters, robots, facial recognition. These are the examples of artificial intelligence. Samson sir? Hello Samson sir. Hello sir, my voice is audible? These are the examples of artificial intelligence. Like unmanned, these are the examples of artificial intelligence: unmanned drones, self-driving cars, smart assistant, spam filters on email, robots, facial recognition. Then examples of few more examples of artificial intelligence in everyday life. Self-driving cars, especially we are using artificial intelligence. Security, manufacturing, smart assistants and chatbots, online banking, spam filters, media recommendations, healthcare, etc. These are the various examples of everyday life. Then how does artificial intelligence work? So the subfields of artificial intelligence is cognitive computing. You must know what is the terminology of cognitive computing. For natural human-like interactions with machines is called cognitive computing. What is meant by computer vision? Computer vision is nothing but relies on pattern recognition and deep learning to recognize what's in a picture or video. In order to process audio video applications, we are studying computer vision. The study of audio and video applications. Then machine learning, learning from the observational data. That is called automates analytical model building. Then natural processing, natural language processing to analyze, understand and generate human language including speech, text, etc. Deep learning used to learn complex patterns in large amounts of data. Neural networks, interconnected units like neurons that process information by responding to external inputs. So technologies that support and enable AI, graphical processing unit, GPU, Internet of Things, advanced algorithms, application programming interfaces, that is called APIs. This is the way AI work based on the subfields of artificial intelligence. Then these are the 5 most important concepts of artificial intelligence. The first one is machine learning, learning from the observational data. Deep learning, learning from the observational data with a deep manner. Then neural networks, study of neurons and perform various applications. Collaborative filtering, various filters we are applying in order to classify the data. Predictive intelligence, based on the existing data, we are predicting the future analysis. These are the 3 types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, and artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence uses machine learning concepts. Example: Siri, Alexa, Cortana, especially specializes in one area and solves one problem. Whereas in artificial general intelligence, that is called AGI, it uses machine intelligence. Stage 2 we can call it as, refers to a computer that is as smart as human across the board. And artificial super intelligence, that is called ASI. We are using, this is called stage 3, mission consciousness. An intellect that is much smarter than the best human brains in practically every field we are using this artificial intelligence. Then artificial intelligence explains what is expert system. Expert system is nothing but building a if-then rules and making a database based on conditions, constraints, rules and regulations. Neural network, study of neurons and solve various complex applications. Robotics, intelligent behavior in a machine, the science and engineering to make intelligent machines. Fuzzy logic is nothing but the degree of freedom to choose any value between 0 to 1. You can choose any value, degree of freedom. That is called fuzzy logic. Natural language processing to study different languages, including with audio, video, text, graphics, etc. Then artificial intelligence. What is AI as commodity? See here, as a human is using artificial intelligence with different perspectives. In machine learning, we are using predictive analytics and deep learning concepts. In speech, text to speech, speech to text. Then vision, image recognition, machine vision recognition. Then language processing, natural language processing, we are solving applications like classification, translation, data extraction. In expert system, collection of various rules and regulations, if then rules is called expert system, planning and optimization, robotics. So what are the AI, artificial intelligence as a commodity? Lack of scarcity, on-demand availability, disappearing benefits, macro level impact, business survival, irrelevant spending, etc. Then coming to the role of artificial intelligence in achieving the sustainable development goals. See here, positive impact of AI 79%, negative impact of AI 35%. So in positive impact of AI, we are using AI in environment 93%, and society we are using 82%, and economy 70%. If you see negative impact of AI, environment uses 30%, society uses 38%, and economy uses 33%. This is called the role of artificial intelligence in achieving the sustainable development goals. Then what are the goals of artificial intelligence? By using artificial intelligence, we are getting the knowledge, we are getting the perception, we are solving natural language processing applications, we are solving machine learning and various applications, and we are solving robotics related applications, we are planning and natural and neural network applications. These are the various goals of artificial intelligence. And in artificial intelligence, we are using various subdomains like knowledge management, concept mining, and machine learning, natural language processing, non-linear control, pattern recognition, robotics, and speech generating device, strategic planning, and vehicle infrastructure integration, virtual intelligence, virtual reality. If you see right side, it starts with artificial creativity. These are the branches of artificial intelligence by application wise. Artificial life, automated planning and scheduling, automated reasoning, automation, automatic target recognition, biologically inspired computing, computer audition, and computer vision related applications, diagnosis, and expert system, and game artificial intelligence, hybrid intelligent systems, intelligent agent, intelligent control, knowledge management. These are the various branches of artificial intelligence by application. If you see artificial intelligence in action, it uses machine learning techniques and natural language processing techniques, expert system techniques, computer vision techniques, planning and optimization techniques, and robotics. If you see machine learning, again we are deriving into deep learning techniques, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Natural language processing, we are deriving natural language understanding, natural language generation, dialogue systems. Then in computer vision, we are using image recognition, acquiring, processing, analyzing, and classification. Then what are the major features of artificial intelligence? Deep learning. The first one is deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data with a deep manner by using various inputs, hidden layers. Then facial recognition, we are solving various biometric and various applications. Automated tasks, data ingestion, cloud computing, quantum computing, chatbots. These are the various features of artificial intelligence. Then the need of artificial intelligence in today's business. Why do we use artificial intelligence? It emphasizes analytical thinking. Yes, 100%. It emphasizes analytical thinking. Entertains active learning strategies. Yes, especially in gaming applications. Increases creativity and originality, and induces critical thinking, builds leadership and social influence, interactive reasoning and problem solving, emotional intelligence. These are the need for artificial intelligence in today's business. Then see the single diagram having various subjects. If you see artificial intelligence, it uses models and algorithms, neural networks, data production, intelligent agents. This is about artificial intelligence. So data mining uses red box, raw data collection, data processing, data cleansing, exploratory data analysis, and model algorithms, communicate visualization report. Finally, make decisions. So this is about one diagram, one picture with data science, AI, ML, deep learning, and data mining. Then if you see AI, ML components, see languages we are using Python or Java, Julia, C Sharp, JavaScript. If you see data platforms, Spark, Hadoop, SQL Query, PostgreSQL, etc. ML and AI tools, H2O.ai, TensorFlow, XGBoost, etc. Deep learning virtual machines, data exploration and visualization. Especially we are using Weka, SQL Server, Excel Sheet, etc. Data ingestion tools like SQL Server, then development tools like Jupyter or QDNN, etc. Then what is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? AI is human intelligence demonstrated by machines to perform simple to complex tasks, whereas in artificial machine learning is it provides machines the ability to learn and understand without being explicitly programmed. The idea behind artificial intelligence is to program machines to carry out tasks in more human ways or smart ways, whereas in machine learning, the key to teaching computers to think and understand like we do is machine learning. Then it is based on characteristics of human intelligence. It is based on the system of probability. It is used in healthcare, finance, transportation, aviation, marketing, media, education, etc. It is used for optical character recognition, web security, imitation learning, etc. Then what is the difference between artificial intelligence and data science? See, what are the factors we are taking into the account? Scope. In data science, it involves various underlying data operations, whereas artificial intelligence limited to the implementation of machine learning algorithms. What type of data it can handle? Data science can handle structured data and unstructured data. What is the meaning of structured data? With the help of relational databases, relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, we are creating based on label, based on schema, relation, table, we are creating database. That is called structured data. Example, tables, SQL database, etc. Unstructured data is nothing but, so there is no proper format of this data, and there is example audio, video, text, graphics, animation data. So non-relational databases like Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Mongo database, we can create a database. That database is called unstructured data. Then artificial intelligence uses standardized in the form of embeddings and vectors. Then what are the tools we are using in data science? R, Python, SAS, SPSS, TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn. Whereas in artificial intelligence, we are using Scikit-learn, Caffe, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Shogun, Mahout. What are the applications in data science and artificial intelligence? In data science, advertising, marketing, internet search engines. In AI, manufacturing especially, automation, robotics, transportation, healthcare applications. Data scientist versus data artificial intelligence. So what companies think AI looks like? See, how do companies, industries, manufacturing industries, how they are using this artificial intelligence? See here, data. Data is a raw material. Anything can be a data. So data takes artificial intelligence, then it makes as a value. Okay. So what is meant by data? Data may be a selection and sourcing and synthesis. Okay, that is called constraints, based on the constraints. Then what it actually? AI means it uses data science, data engineering, modeling. What is meant by data engineering? Data engineering is nothing but exploration, cleansing, and normalizing, and feature engineering, and scaling. Then modeling, you can call it as a model selection, training, evaluation, and tuning. In the value, what is the value here? Operationalizing, you can call it as regression, deployment, and monitoring, and the rethrowing, you can call it as a retracting, by using legal, ethical transparency, historical, and security. This is the industry perspective AI explanation. Then the benefits of artificial intelligence. What are the benefits? First benefit, no human error. That is excellent benefit. Once we are giving a rule or a program to the system can perform automatically. Then 24 by 7 availability based on the cloud and intelligent machines. Then third one, unbiased decisions. It gives correct decisions. Quicker decisions. Fourth one, quicker decision making. Fifth one, no risks. Sixth one, healthcare applications. Seventh one, managing recurring tasks. Automated application especially. Then natural language processing in AI. It uses importance, applications, components, process, steps, difficulties, need, examples, technologies, especially natural language processing in AI. What are the steps we are using in natural language processing? See here, we are using lexical analysis. Lexi means smallest individual particle of a given string. A is a lexi, plus is a lexi, B is a lexi, A plus B. So we are analyzing how many operands, how many operators. That is called lexical analysis. Syntactic analysis, whether we are parsing A plus B. So which one is first it going parsing. Then sentiment analysis means semantic analysis, meaning of the variable, meaning of the expression, like discourse integration, pragmatic analysis. These are the steps we are using in the natural language processing in order to solve various artificial intelligence applications. So artificial intelligence programming language, a computer language developed expressly for implementing AI research. AI is intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and other animals. Then it is a recurrent theme in science fiction. Scholars have divided it into utopian, emphasizing the potential benefits, and dystopian, emphasizing the dangers. If you see interdisciplinary artificial intelligence domains, what are the interdisciplinary domains? We can enter into various domains with help of artificial intelligence. Explicit knowledge, language aptitude, numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, working memory, critical thinking, creative thinking, etc. Then what is a AI software? What type of software we are using to solve artificial intelligence applications? The first one is TensorFlow. It is a framework we can install in Python by using pip install TensorFlow. Like this we can install. Then second one, Azure Machine Learning. Then third one, Salesforce Einstein. Fourth one, Asadi. Fifth one, Playment. Sixth one, Cloud Machine Learning. These are the various AI software. If we see few more top 10 open source AI software in 2021 to 22. The first one is Acumos AI. Then Claire ML. Then H2O.ai. Then Mycroft.ai and OpenCV, then now and Ope NNN, PyTorch, Rasa Open Source, TensorFlow, Tesseract OCR, Optical Character Recognition. These are the various top 10 artificial intelligence software in 2021. What are the applications using artificial intelligence? Hello, Samson. Some voice is coming. What are the applications of artificial intelligence? If you see, these are the various applications, especially in healthcare. That's why in my data science research laboratory, we have executed nearly 101 research projects we have executed in healthcare applications, automobile applications, finance related applications, surveillance applications, social media applications, entertainment applications, then education domain applications, space exploration, gaming, robotics, agriculture, e-commerce, etc. These are the various applications of artificial intelligence. Then applications of artificial intelligence in education. In education domain, how do we use this AI in this education field? See here, I am using right now Microsoft Teams. It is a AI application, proctoring, personalized learning, data accumulation, chart campus, smart content, automated grader, virtual facilitator, adaptive learning, chatbot. So these are the applications of artificial intelligence in education domain. Then see what are the remaining applications of AI. Artificial intelligence in healthcare, artificial intelligence in business, artificial intelligence in education domain, artificial intelligence in autonomous vehicles, artificial intelligence in social media, artificial intelligence in for a better world, artificial intelligence in tourism. These are the various applications. Next, what are the drawbacks of artificial intelligence? So, increased efficiency, reducing human risk, aid in decision making, and availability. These are the pros. And what are the cons, disadvantages? Cause of unemployment, high initial investment, dependency on machines, lack of creativity. Then these are the AI algorithms I have already explained, like regression algorithms, instance based methods, regularization methods, decision tree, Bayesian classification, kernel methods, association rule mining, artificial neural networks, deep learning, dimensionality reduction, ensemble methods, etc. So these are the differences between data science, AI and ML. Data science is nothing but process of observing and extracting and hidden patterns from the huge volume of data by applying various machine learning, statistical and scientific methods. That is called data science. Artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. The science and engineering to make intelligent machines. Science is about knowing, engineering is about doing. Then machine learning is nothing but observational data. Okay, it is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses data and algorithms for the machine to autonomously learn and improve with the time to help provide the AI make decisions. So these are the differences between machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. See here, what is the difference, major differences between AI, DI, DS, ML, and DL? See here, 1950s, not it is a new concept. 1950s, artificial intelligence is there for programs that can sense the data, reasoning the data, act the data, and adapt the data. So by using neural network, nearest neighbor, Bayesian methods, symbolic programming, rule-based systems, genetic algorithm, genetic programming, intelligent agent, reinforcement learning. These are the various applications of techniques of artificial intelligence. 1974 to 1980. We have used spam filters, forecasting, expert system. First AI winter, then second AI winter, 1987 to 1993. Third artificial intelligence winter, right now we are using. 1980s, machine learning came into the picture. Algorithms that learn patterns in data over time. That is called machine learning. We are using back propagation for neural networks, recurrent neural networks, random forest, support vector machine, XGBoost. In 2010 onwards, we are using deep learning techniques. Deep multi-layered neural networks that learn from big data by using CNN technique, convolutional neural networks, long short-term memory, recurrent neural networks, generative adversarial networks. Especially, we are solving chatbots, image diagnosis, language translation, speech to text. Then data science. Data science blends data analytics, computer science, and business domain expertise to solve business problems. Data analytics is the practice of using machine learning algorithms and visualization to derive insights. So, the differences between AI, see, AI, ML, DL, DS are the same. Anyone having any questions, I'll ask you now. Now I'm going to demonstrate all the practicals. Okay. So see the in data science is nothing but it is a combination of AI, ML and DL. Data science is the combination of AI, ML and DL. Then artificial intelligence is nothing but enable machine learning, enable machine to think. See, machine learning is nothing but machine learning is a subset of AI. And deep learning is nothing but deep learning is a subset of machine learning. See, these all subjects are interlinked together. Okay. So this is about AI, ML, DL and DS. So impact of AI on jobs. See, day by day, artificial intelligence is increasing the impact of especially in jobs. So definitely you can expect after 10 years, there is no human being to work for any application. All robots will work. So will AI be a job killer? Yes, I can expect after 10 years. Will AI be a job creator? Sometimes, yes. Replacing redundant jobs? Yes, 100%. Wherever automation applications are present, we are replacing redundant jobs. So, these are the statistics about artificial intelligence replaced by robots. Jobs with the high probabilities of being automated in the near future. Already started this artificial intelligence. Mail carrier, 68% they are using, means reading the mail, sending the mail, etc. Logging worker, 79%. Drill press operator, 94%. Jewelry related applications, AI already entered into jewelry concept, 68%. And in agriculture, farm laborer, they are using 97%. Insurance underwriter, 99%. These are the replaced by robots already. I am giving examples. What are the job profiles in AI? After completion of machine learning, AI, deep learning, data science, you can become as a robotics scientist, big data engineer, BI developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, product manager, AI research scientist. So these are the 6 job roles like machine learning engineers. What it does, machine learning engineers is focusing on research, design, implementation of models to help mission make choices. Then data scientist, it create predictive models to solve real world problems, obtaining insights from data and presenting them. Data engineers cleanses the data, masses the data, pipeline the data, ensuring it is formatted correctly for the intended usage. Software engineers typically create software but may have focus on data and AI. Look for keywords like Python, artificial intelligence in the job posting. Product managers identify what users find valuable in a product. If the product is using AI machine learning techniques, they would have to understand these concepts. And architects. have a deep understanding of the entire machine learning ecosystem. This is a long-term career goal. So these are the top 10 most popular AI models, top 10 algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, linear discriminant analysis, decision tree, naive Bayes, K nearest neighbor, learning vector quantization, support vector machines, bagging and random forest, deep neural network. So the first application I'm going to demonstrate. See, linear regression is a approach to modeling the relationship between dependent variable and one independent variable. Y is equal to mx plus c. If you see linear regression formula, we are solving. So yi is a dependent variable and xi is a independent variable. Y is intercept and b1 is a slope coefficient and error. So this is the Python algorithm for a linear regression we are solving. So by using this algorithm steps, we are solving this linear regression Python code. See here, I'm going to explain this one. I'm importing NumPy package as NP from sklearn.learn model, import linear regression, import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT without reshape. NP data arrays I'm taking as array. Then print before reshaping numpy array without reshaping. X is equal to np dot array. Then print after reshaping numpy array. Print y model linear regression. I can use directly linear regression. Model dot fit of x comma y. Training value injection. Mean square error. Model dot score of x comma y. Print coefficient of determination. Intercept model. Slope model. Y predicted value. We are printing y predicted value. So plt dot plot x comma y plt dot show. Now I'm going to demonstrate practical. See here, this is the way we can execute. Okay. Now see, I'm going to demonstrate. See here, I'm opening a command prompt. So if you want to see Python, what is the version I'm using? Python. So 3.10.5. This is the latest version we are using, 3.10.1. So I'm checking whether you can download a Python software in the internet, and you can install very simple. Once installed, automatically it can set the path, and you can check like Python version. Then if you see Python, I'm going to demonstrate various application. Python linear.py. Okay. So spelling, you can check the spelling. Python space linear.py. Now I am executing a linear regression. See here, I got the results. Hello, Samson sir. Hello, Samson sir. Hello, sir. My screen is visible. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible. Okay. So now see here, Python, you need to execute like this. Python space linear.py. Linear regression is one of the topmost algorithm in artificial intelligence. I have taken X values 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. After reshaping NumPy, so these columns becomes rows now. See here, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Now I'm printing after a reshaping. I'm finding the quotient value by using y is equal to mx plus c. Coefficient determination 0.71, intercept value 5.61, slope I got 0.54, and the predicted y predicted values like 8.33 based on the x values. That means we have a existing data and we are predicting the future data. So now you can see COVID-19 or Omicron or monkeypox, contaminated disease. It is spreading in the worldwide. Now we have taken existing system images or data. We are predicting in future. So by using linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression. If you see, this is the graph, x-axis and y-axis based on values I have generated. If you want to see code, notepad, okay, linear.py. If you open like this, it will open here. See here, I have explained already. Import NumPy. NumPy is a library, okay, package. All numerics related applications we can solve under NumPy package. It is a library. Why Python is so popular? Because of rich number of libraries are presented. Directly I am using linear regression from sklearn. Sklearn is a library in order to solve machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. Then import matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library. In order to generate graphs, we are using matplotlib. Then these are the without reshape is a variable. X is a x-axis array I am taking. Then y is equal to y values. Then I'm printing y. Then I'm creating a model. What is a model name? Linear regression. Then I'm model.fit of x comma y values, whatever the values we have predicted, and we are finding the mean square error. Then we are printing quotient, intercept, slope. Then we are predicting the y underscore predict means model.predict of x value. We know x values. We are printing the y predicted value, and finally we are plot plt dot plot of x comma y. We are printing the we are displaying graph. This is about linear regression. Any doubt? Please unmute yourself and ask any doubts. Now I am going to second program. Now how much time is there? Hello sir, Samson sir. Now see second program, Python.
You can continue, sir. Time is there. 1 hour.
Okay, sir. And see here, I am executing one more program that is called a non-linear regression. So linear regression and non-linear regression. So this is based on x and y values we are generating same way. Then if you see logistic regression, Python. So logistic. So the file name is the logistic.py, and we are executing. This is the see here I have created. See, I have taken x values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So whenever I am predicting, 1 means present, 0 means absent. So based on our input, we are finding the predicted values. Predicted values means 0 or 1. Suppose I am performing COVID-19 virus prediction of image data. Suppose COVID patient image I have taken, X-ray image, I am giving input to the system. If it is presented in the database, it gives 1. If it is not presented in the database, it gives 0. So that is called a logistic regression application. So we have calculated predicted classes 0 or 1, intercept value, quotient value, and predicted values. So this is about logistic regression. This is the graph we have generated, x-axis and y-axis. Now, if you want to see the code, I am going to show you code. See here, notepad, space, logistic regression. Logistic regression, this is the code. I am going to share this code to coordinator sir, Samson sir. You can share this applications, these Python programs for applications you can share with students so that they can execute and learn and they can do various applications. See here, import matplotlib. I have imported a library for visualizing the graphs. Then import numpy is a library. Then sklearn is a library. From sklearn, I'm using directly logistic regression. So I'm not writing code for logistic regression because I'm importing sklearn library. In that library, all inbuilt programs are there. That's why Python is so popular. So all algorithms, inbuilt algorithms are there. You can use and you can solve various applications. So in sklearn, we can use classification report, confusion matrix we can generate. Then we are import matplotlib for generating visualization graphs. I'm taking x value, y value. Then print x, print y. Then directly I'm developing a model. Model is equal to logistic regression, and I'm developing a model fit x comma y. So I'm calculating various parameters like cluster quotient, class weightage, dual, and intercept scaling, ratio, multi-class, and random state, like various uh, see, I'm using various parameters in order to demonstrate. See here in the code. So finally, I'm printing the predicted classes, intercept value, quotient value, predicted value, and I'm generating graph based on x and y values. Plt.show means it is going to show you. This is logistic regression. Now I'm going to demonstrate support vector machine. See, CLS, clear screen, Python, space, svm.py, support vector machine. So shall I explain that algorithm? So if you want, I am going to again theory part so that I can explain how support vector machine is working. I am taking one electrical data set, whether electricity is coming. Uh, 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 See the classification of electrical data, whether all houses are accessing power or not. How do I classify the data? Whoever paying the amount, I'm classifying one. Whoever not paying the amount, I'm classifying 0. So classification here 0 and 1. 0 indicates not paid, 1 indicates paid. So I have taken 155 instances, rows of a data set. It classified correctly. See here confusion matrix. 155 correct, 155 wrong classified, and 120 correctly classified. So I got 100% accuracy because I have taken 155 data, 275 data. It is correctly classified. 155 false and 120 true. So this is a support vector machine. If you see Notepad, go to Notepad, open svm.py. You come to know what type of data I have taken. See here. So import pandas. I am using library pandas and sklearn. I am using sklearn and import directly. I am using here train test data accuracy and sklearn. So I'm taking columns as variance, skewness, kurtosis, entropy class. I'm taking power quality data set as a CSV, comma separated variable file format. So here I'm giving as input data set. It is going to classify how many users are paying current bill. It gives 1. How many users are not paying? So it gives 0. So that is the application I have developed. I have executed. Same support vector machine I can use for another application like a heart, heartbeat disease or a heart disease data set. Python svm1.py. Same algorithm I have applied. See here, heartbeat data set I have taken. Total 61 instances I have taken this heart patient's data. So based on symptoms, whether whether he is feeling pain or what is his name, age, symptoms of the heart disease patient. So I have taken 61 patients heart disease patient data. I have applied support vector machine. It is correctly classified how many patients are having severity level. So 33% doesn't have a heart heart disease and 28 people, 28 patients having heart disease. So this is the classification we are doing support vector machine. And one more application uh, in this Python. See, same we have executed. I am going to show you this practical about decision tree and support vector machine and convolutional neural networks. See, I am going to execute Python ANN, artificial neural networks application. See here, I have taken a health data set as an input to the system. Now I am executing artificial neural networks application. See, my application is running. Now my application is running. It is calculating accuracy 93.38. I got it the results. That is artificial neural network. If you see what type of data set I have taken, heart disease data set, and I have applied ANN, I got very good accuracy in ANN technique. Then Python, KNN, K nearest neighbor dot algorithm, K nearest neighbor. See here, K nearest neighbor, I have taken one more health data application. I got accuracy 0.79, I mean 79%, and I got 64. Based on the 178 instances, I have classified the data. This is called K nearest neighbor algorithm. And now I'm going to demonstrate one more application, Python space naive base. Naive base application. Naive base is one of the classification application. So I got 95.33 percentage. And now I am going to demonstrate decision tree. Let me show you what are the what are the various applications I am going to show you. Naive Bayes application. See here in data mining, in machine learning also I kept. See in data mining. Hello sir, my screen is visible. Samson sir.
Yes, sir, it's visual.
How much time is there? According to time, I am going to demonstrate a few more applications. That's why, sir. How much time is there? Samson, sir. How much time is there?
1 hour is there, sir.
So in huh? How
1 hour,
much,
sir.
sir? How much time? Huh? Half an
Half
hour?
an hour, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, in data mining, I think everybody is, I think you have studied data mining. There are 4 steps we are performing in data mining. It is the process of discovering patterns in large data sets involving methods at the intersection of machine learning, statistics, and database systems. It is a process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns. So, nesty is the mother of invention is a well-known proverb. It means roughly that the primary driving force for most new invention is needed. Okay. So this is the relationship between data mining and data science. In data mining, we are extracting data, discovering hidden patterns, developing predictive models, etc. This theory part I'm skipping now. I'm going to demonstrate applications. Okay. See, these are the various tools in data mining we are using. The first application I have explained, support vector machine. So like this, based on the hyperplane, we are solving which object is falling below the hyperplane, which object is falling above the hyperplane. That is called support vector machine. This is the code I have explained. Support vector machine I have taken as a data set. So this is the output I got it. This is the output I have explained, I have executed. And decision tree. Decision tree is one of the classification technique. It uses decision node, leaf node, arc and path, and these are the rules and regulation it uses in classification. Based on the attribute selection measure information gain ratio, Gini index, tree pruning, scalability and decision tree induction. Then this is the data set I have taken, all electronics customer data, your textbook data. Then this is the diagram for that all electronics data. And now I am going to demonstrate a decision tree algorithm. See, this is the output I got it. Random forest also I am going to show you. It is also one of the classification technique, and it gives more number of decision trees like random forest, like various decision trees. In order to which decision tree gives good accuracy, we are using that as a random forest algorithm. So now I am going to demonstrate. Please see here. So now I am executing decision tree. So I kept in one folder CD decision tree. So here you can see decision tree.py, decision tree, random forest, and scikit-learn compare.py, regression decision tree. So now I am executing, okay, decision tree algorithm. See here, Python decision tree algorithm, it is going to executed. See now, I got the output. Total instances 714 rows and 3 columns. Age, fare, who is purchasing computer. So what is the cost? What is the age? And what is the cost? And whether they are purchasing computer or not. 1 means purchasing computer, 0 means not purchasing computer. Next, random forest. If you see Python, next algorithm, Python random forest. Random forest algorithm, it takes little bit time to execute this random forest algorithm. Okay. So 10 iterations it takes. Now it is executing. Now it is 10% completed in this random forest. Random forest is one of the classification technique, and we are using various randomly generated forest. I mean randomly generated decision trees. Which one is optimal solution? That one we are considering as a best algorithm in the random forest. Especially we are using for classification algorithm, random forest algorithm. If you see it is taking time. 1 more minute it takes. Okay, and see here, this is the algorithm random forest. I have used algorithm like sklearn package I have used. This is the output 83.89. I got it. So next, next I am going to show you. See here, still 60%, 60% random forest algorithm executing because of number of instances. It is taking time. 70% completed in random forest, and after this, one more algorithm I am going to show you in this one. Now 80% completed random forest algorithm. It is one of the good algorithm in order to execute real-time applications. Okay, in order to execute real-time applications, we are using a decision tree for especially classification algorithm. Okay, and 80%. Still, it is running with because of my system. It is taking. See, now we'll go to the machine learning concepts. In machine learning, what are the algorithms I am going to demonstrate? See here, in machine learning. So machine learning, I think everybody knows, learning from the observational data. And machine learning, there are 3 approaches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. I've explained cluster. K means clustering, mean shift, K midpoints. And see, supervised learning, all data is labeled, and the algorithms learn to predict the output from the input value. I'll show you practicals in machine learning. See here. So this linear regression we have executed decision tree, and support vector machine for health data. Naive based classification I have executed for you. Naive based classification, and sklearn and naive based technique, it gives results 95 point. Support vector machine program for heart disease prediction. This is heart data input data set, and this is the output. I got it. And K nearest neighbor algorithm, I'm using K nearest neighbor algorithm KNN. I got this is the result. So I'm going to demonstrate. See here, still it is running. Okay. So I'm closing this one because it is taking time. Okay. So next cd dot dot. I'm going to demonstrate one more application. cd space support vector machine. So in this one support vector machines, check SVM. SVM is there. You can execute CLS, Python. So svm.py. So this is the output. I got it for a hot disease data set. One more algorithm, Python. This one is example.py, and this is the C. For few more examples I have executed in this one. So support vector machine executed with clarity. Now I am going to show you COVID-19 virus prediction and detection. See here. So first I want to show you COVID-19 virus prediction data in deep learning. In the deep learning, I'm skipping the theory part. Okay. You need to see, I'm going to show you practicals in this one. This is complete theory part is presented in deep learning techniques. Because of time, I'm skipping. Okay. This is also AR VR technology. Various applications I have demonstrated here. Yeah, health related application. First application COVID-19. So COVID-19 virus detection, and this is a coronavirus. These are the symptoms: fever, cough, chills, muscle pain, headaches, sore throat. And these are the X-ray images I have collected. X-ray images I have collected, and I have applied convolutional neural networks. These are the steps: convolutional operation, ReLU, and rectified linear unit, pooling function, flattening, full connection. These are the CNN algorithm steps. This is the architecture we are taking as input to the system: COVID-19, pneumonia, normal image. So these are the training data set I have taken. I have collected from the various sources like Kaggle, UCI, GitHub. This is the code. This is the code of CNN. Finally, it recognizes whether it is COVID or positive or negative. Then same way, this is the execution. These are the graphs. Next, COVID-19 strain virus detection. I have collected various symptoms of COVID-19 strain. These are the symptoms of COVID-19 strain. These are the X-ray images I have taken, and these are the code of COVID strain algorithm. Finally, it detected positive or negative. Then prostate cancer detection using CNN algorithm. I have collected symptoms of prostate cancer. Usually it will come to the men. So this is the database I have collected, and I have applied CNN algorithm, and this is training data set, and this is a final image whether it is prostate cancer or not. Then breast cancer detection by using CNN. I have collected various chest X-ray images, and I have applied a training data set. This is training data set. This is testing, and finally it is detected whether it is a breast cancer infected image or not. This is the code, and I have executed. Lung cancer, same. I have collected various symptoms of the lung cancer, and this is the data set I have collected. Lung cancer training data set, and this is finally image whether it is a lung cancer or not. Then Ebola virus, I have collected various symptoms of the Ebola virus. This is the RNN algorithm. Okay, and this is the code of finally it is detected X-ray of Ebola virus or not. So now please see here. I am going to show you here. See, I have collected various images COVID-19 data set. Very small data set I have taken for testing purpose. I have used. See, these are the images of COVID-19 virus prediction X-ray images, and this is about COVID train data. Okay, this is positive images data. See here, this is a data set I have taken for COVID-19 virus prediction and detection. Now I am running this application. See here, CD COVID-19. So here I kept all the data set, CNN, and two folders I have created. Now I am running. Python space cnn.py. See here, now it is going to classify the two images. I have kept only three epochs, not more than that one. Now I am getting input. Now I am giving input of nearly 500 images I have taken, and it is executing three steps, three epochs I kept in the algorithm. I am going to explain algorithm and code. Now see here, CNN on COVID-19. See how much. First step is completed. Now second step is running. Epoch 2. Because of time, I kept only three epochs. Three processing epochs. Epochs means three steps. So this is called COVID-19 virus prediction and detection application. So it is executing now. See, third step, second step is completed. Now the last step, it is classifying of X-ray images. How many images are belongs to positive? How many images are belongs to negative? That based on the CNN algorithm, I am classifying the data. That is called classification of convolutional neural networks. So this is the final output of convolutional neural networks. See here, all of you, the final execution. I got 100% accuracy of small data. It is correctly classified. How many images correctly classified? Okay, so like that, we are getting 100% accuracy. So this is about the CNN. Now I am going to show you COVID Omicron virus. See here, I am going to show you Omicron virus data. First, training data, and see here how many images I have collected. Okay, these many images I have collected for Omicron data. If you see, nearly 5,000 images I have collected. 5,000 images I have collected, and I have applied CNN algorithm on that data. It is running successfully. Then if you see monkeypox, see here, I'm showing data set now, then I am going to execute. Monkeypox, I've collected various train data. See here, monkeypox. This is called monkeypox data. Okay. This is called monkeypox data. If you see various bubbles on the face, hand, and everywhere. This is about a monkeypox data set. So now, if you see, I am going to demonstrate various applications. Okay. So now, CD space, I'm executing monkeypox. CD space monkeypox. So now check here, data CNN, Python CNN.py. Just I am showing sample. It is executing now. It is going to classify two classes. It takes time because 30 epochs I have kept. Now my dear students, please uh, please please ask me the doubts. This is the conclusion of today's international webinar on artificial intelligence applications using Python programming. So there is my channel. You can go to YouTube if you are having mobile phone or laptop. Last seminar also, last webinar also, students they have subscribed my channel. So if you have mobile or computer, you can subscribe my channel. Type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Okay. So subscribe, and various videos are there. You can check how many videos. If you are free, you can check all the videos and listen. So that is about YouTube channel of Dr. Asadi Srinivas. You need to do subscription. So these are the any questions, Samson sir? Please let them ask any queries. Yeah.
Students will ask now.
See, yeah, our program is still running. See, our program is still running. Yeah. Please ask me doubts. Please subscribe my channel. Samson sir, please unmute them. Hello, Samson sir. Hello, Samson sir.
I will ask, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, please. Give, unmute them, let them ask queries. Please ask doubts. Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, my voice is audible. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. My voice is audible. Hello, sir. My voice is audible. Let them ask any queries. Hello, sir.
They are asking, they will ask, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, yeah, I'm waiting for them. Students having mobile or computer, Samsung, sir? They are having mobile or computer?
Both they have, sir, laptops and mobiles and a digital class.
Okay. So, 2 minutes, let them subscribe my channel, sir. They are not doing. Sir, let them subscribe my channel. Samsung, sir. I'm giving 2 minutes time. Let them subscribe my channel so that they will listen more videos in my channel. If you have a mobile, please, if you are having mobile, please go to so like this. If you go to YouTube, I'm demonstrating here. Please check, all of you. Please subscribe my channel. You type my name, Dr. Asadi, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, YouTube channel. If you click like this, so please subscribe. Only 5 students done now so far. I'm expecting more students. Please subscribe now. I'm giving 2 minutes time. After that, you can ask queries. There are various videos are available. Only 5 students has done. Please subscribe now and ask queries, doubts. See, only I'm sending the link in the group chat. Okay. Please check in the group chat. I'm sending my channel. Please subscribe now. I have sent my link in the group. Please click it and subscribe. Only 5 students has done. Remaining students, please subscribe now. And you can see various videos are available. I kept many videos. See here. I kept many videos are there.
Student having one query, sir.
Yeah, please ask them, sir.
Please ask them, sir. What is the current focus of machine learning and deep learning in placements?
Oh, very good question. So, you need to concentrate on how to read a data, how to pre-process it, and how to execute in Python. Definitely they will ask you, do you know how to pre-process the data in machine learning or in deep learning? They will ask you the question, do you know artificial intelligence? What are the concepts? Do you know machine learning? What are the approaches are there? Do you know deep learning? What are the algorithms are famous? Like that, they are going to ask you few fundamentals in placement point of view. Once you selected, definitely they are going to give you training on Python in the subjects like artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Very good question, Amma. Very good question. Next. Next, one more query. Samson, sir.
Sir,
Any
one more
other
question, sir.
queries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which pro sir? Sir,
Yeah,
which
please.
programming language we have to focus to become? Hello, sir.
Please tell me.
Which programming language? Which programming language we have to focus to become data scientist, sir?
Very good question. So you can start with Python programming, or if you are comfortable Java, Java, Python. Two programs are very, very important. You can concentrate on those two languages. Python is very simple because of libraries. You can learn and solve very good application. So if you are comfortable, you can use Java programming. Otherwise, you can go to the uh, Java or Python. Two languages are very important, but simplicity, you can go to Python. Very simple Python comparatively Java also. Sir, I know Java, then better you can go for Java, no problem. Sir, I don't, Python is very simple. As a student point of view, you can learn. You can, I can teach you. If you want, I can teach you. You can take my number and email ID with Samson sir. I am going to teach you Saturday, Sunday. If you want Sunday, 4 hours. Complete Python programming, I'll teach you so that you are ready for placements. Okay? Python is better language. Yeah. Next, other question. Next, any more? Next question.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah, please.
from where we get free data sets?
Very good question. Free data sets you can download from Kaggle. Write down www.kaggle.com. Next, www.github.com, www.uci.com, and Google database and Microsoft database. You will get free of data sets, databases. So Kaggle, GitHub, UCI, repositories, and as well as Google database and Microsoft database. Very good question. Next question. Next, any other question?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good question. Next, please subscribe my channel. There are various videos. Only 10 students so far subscribed. Now 11. Please subscribe now and ask the queries. Please subscribe now. You will get various technologies I have explained. Yeah, please subscribe my channel now. Any queries? Please ask any queries.
Sir, yes, yeah, yes, sir. They will ask, sir. Just 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir.
Yeah, please.
Hello, sir. Machine
Ah,
learning and deep learning difference.
very good question. See, machine learning from the observational data with the help of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, we are solving the problems. Whereas in deep learning, learning from the observational data with deep manner by using huge number of input and hidden layers. We are solving problems by using convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory. These are the deep learning algorithms. So machine learning uh, is is not using neural networks concept. In machine learning, we are using neural networks very less. In deep learning, neural networks we are using high. That means machine learning can solve small data sets. Deep learning can solve a huge volume of data set. That is a difference. Very good question. Very good question. Next. Next query. Samson sir. Hello, Samson sir. Any queries? Hello, sir.
I'll
Any
ask, sir.
other
They're asking.
queries? Yeah. Still, monkeypox algorithm still executing. See here, monkeypox algorithm still executing here. Still running because 7,000 images I have taken. That is the reason still it is executing. Okay. Next, any query?
Hello, sir.
Ah,
Is there any
please.
relation between AI techniques and big data set and IoT?
Oh, very good. Yes. AI is a umbrella which covers. See, artificial intelligence is an umbrella which covers machine learning, big data. Because without data, we are not solving any applications by using AI techniques. Yes, there is a strong relationship between AI, big data, machine learning, deep learning, data science, data mining, everything. So AI is the umbrella which covers various domains, various subjects. So AI came from computer science engineering. So there is a strong relationship between AI, even natural language processing, data mining, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Very good question. There is a relationship between all these technologies. Without data, there is no database application. That's why even IoT, Internet of Things, is nothing but collection of collection of real-time objects in a network is called Internet of Things. So from sensors, we are sensing the information and we are collecting the data and storing in the server, and we are processing the data, and by applying machine learning and deep learning techniques, we are solving various applications. That's why there is a strong relationship between artificial intelligence and big data and IoT, machine learning and deep learning. Very good question. Is there any doubts? Is there any other doubts? Any other doubts?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Hello.
If you are
Sir, is there
having
any
mobile
test books or
phones, please
websites
subscribe
specifically for?
now. Only 15 students subscribe. If you are having mobile or computer,
Sir,
please
hello, sir.
subscribe now.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
sir,
Please.
Okay, ask the
Yeah.
question.
sir, is there any websites or textbooks
Uh-huh.
we could prefer for practical knowledge, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I have it. I have it. Textbooks I am going to share with your coordinator, sir. I am going to share this PPT to you for final year projects, for final placements. This PPT will help you too much. Okay. So I'm going to share textbooks, Python textbook, artificial intelligence textbook, data science textbook, machine learning textbook, and PPT. I'm going, my textbooks are also available. You can search, my textbooks are available in the internet. Okay, data science applications, you can search like this. See, I'm showing my textbook here, data science applications, data science applications, data science applications using Python programming. Okay. Asadi Srinivasulu, you can type, you will get the textbook. Labrota, generis. You can call it as a generis textbook. So I'm going to show you my textbook. See here, my textbook is available in the internet. These are my textbooks. So this is my textbook is available in the internet, and but it is very costly. Data science applications through Python programming. So if you take my PowerPoint presentation slide, see here, this is my textbook. My screen is visible. Samson sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's
Hello
visible,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, this is my textbook. It is of 51.99 euros. I think it is costly for you. So better I am going to send with you soft copy and PowerPoint presentation slides. Okay. So you can take from Samson sir. He is going to help you. If you want to do any projects, I am going to help you. If you want to learn Python programming, you can take my number and you can contact with me Sunday, Saturday. So I'm going to train. I'm going to train. And by using a Python, I'm going to execute. If you want Golang, even Go language also I'm going to explain. Next webinar, data science application using Golang. If your Samsung sir is ready, I am going to demonstrate Go language also, very interesting language. Java, Python, Go language. Google developed that programming language. Go. Go is a language. Very good question. Any other doubts?
Sir,
Please.
good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Sir, the, I'm requesting to
Yes, sir.
I'm requesting to student final year project data check, sir.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
And
I'm going
title
to give them, suppose, how many students are there, sir?
student 190 number, sir.
Sir, 190.
120.
120, okay. I have nearly 101 projects and a few more projects I'm going to add them. So I'll give you a data set and the titles. You can assign them. If any student getting doubt, Sunday we will execute that project, sir. No problem.
Okay, last webinar, given me discussed this point.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to share with you data sets.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry, I'm going to share with you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Ask any queries?
Students, please ask. Only 20 students subscribe now. Remaining students, please subscribe. If you have mobile, please subscribe and listen my videos whenever you are finding the time.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yeah, please.
Hello, sir. Any simple project suggestion for implementation?
Yes, I have shown you now COVID-19 virus detection prediction using CNN. Very simple. Very simple. I am going to explain and demonstrate this project for you. If you want, you take my number with Samson sir, and you can write article and you can give presentation, paper presentation. I have a code, I have a data set, you can execute very easily. That project you can keep in the resume, your biodata. So they will ask you what is the algorithm name. You can say convolutional neural networks. How many libraries you have used? I have used 5 libraries such as Matplotlib, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Pandas for data processing. Like that, you can answer. Very good. We can execute simple project, Amma. Very simple project. Okay. Any other queries? Hello, Samson sir. Any other queries?
Samson, sir?
Sir, as of now, no, sir.
Ask the queries
Okay.
any from the student side.
Yeah, please ask them. Any queries, please ask. Only 15 students so far subscribed, sir. Altaf, sir. They are having mobile phones.
Okay, sir. I will inform you. Okay, I will do it. This talk.
Yes, sir. Last webinar also third year students, only 10 to 15 members only.
Okay, sir. I will.
So
Yes.
this
I will.
seminar nearly 120 students are there. Let them subscribe and having any doubts, I will clarify them, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any other queries? Samson, sir. See, still this
No,
program
sir.
is monkeypox. Still it is running. Last step it is running. Epoch 24/30. Any other queries? Please ask me any other queries. Any other queries?
Samson, sir.
Samson, sir. That's all. Any other queries, sir? Altaf, sir. Faculty having any queries?
Sir, if you present lunch time, sir. Faculty went to lunch. Sir.
Oh, they went for lunch, sir.
Lunch time,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then we will wind up the session, sir.
No, just wait, sir. Wait. Samson, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. Actually, students here they already asked the questions and they are happy for the session, sir. We thank
Yes.
Dr. Asadi Srinivas, sir, for this great presentation and for clearing all the students' doubts, sir. Sir, we thank you,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
and we also very much happy for these sessions as for the last week and as well as this week, sir. You delivered topics on machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence techniques applications. Really, the students are encouraged and motivated to do the projects related to this topic, sir. We thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yes.
much for giving this your precious time to our institute and to for delivering great lecture, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I hand over my session to Professor. Altaf Hussain Basha is the HOD of our department, Computer Science and Engineering. Uh, I, I, re- I hand over my session the next time, means coming time to the Professor Altaf Hussain Basha, sir. Thank you, sir.
Uh, uh, Good afternoon to all. Today I'm very
Good
happy
afternoon, sir.
you are conducting the webinar on artificial intelligence application using the Python programming. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Sir Krishna Reddy Garu and the management for conducting of this session. Uh, I would like special thanks to our research person, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, uh, uh, research coordinator, data science, the research lab, Blue Chest, the university. Okay, I would like to thank to Asadi Srinivasulu for delivering of this session. Okay, finally, I would like to thank to my faculty member and my student for the attending this program. Thank you very much, all. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are winding up this session.